Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the torsional vibration. During the torsional vibration of the shaft, the node is characterized by. When we study the torsional vibrations, we have drawn a diagram that the rotor is attached with the shaft. Okay, so this is our shaft, and there is a rotor which is going to be attached here. Okay, like that, which is having radius r and mass m, but this shaft is massless we have considered. But the main important thing is that at one end of the shaft there is a rotor, and the other end of the shaft is fixed at point here. So the means of node, what is the meaning of node? Basically node is this. You can see here this point is not going to be moved. Again, here the shaft is fixed. The node is characterized by zero angular displacement. It is not having any angular displacement. Okay, that's why we generally consider this shaft having theta angle rotations. Okay, theta angular displacement, but this point is not going to be moved. That means it is having zero angular displacement. So option D would be the correct answer. And we also study the topic that is the two rotor system, in which we have seen that two rotors is going to be attached with the shaft. So when you see here, that would be the node point. Okay, this would be the node. So if there are three shafts, there will be one node also. That means if there are three shafts, so number of nodes will be two. So these are the nodes. So you can see here, nodes is characterized by zero angular displacement. At that point, there is no angular displacement. So option D would be the correct answer. Okay. See here, you have to read the options carefully. Sometimes you will get confused in among the options. Okay, so most important thing, you just have to go through all the four options, then you need to pick the correct answer. So option D would be the correct answer. Okay, so